Hey there. Today we're delving into a topic that's crucial for overall well-being, vaginal health. Specifically, we'll be exploring the incredible benefits of probiotics in maintaining a healthy and balanced vaginal microbiome. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our health and wellness content. Now let's jump right in. To grasp the significance of probiotics for vaginal health, let's first understand the concept of the vaginal microbiome. This is where probiotics come into play. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that can help restore and maintain a healthy balance in the vaginal microbiome. Now, let's talk about the specific benefits of incorporating probiotics into your routine for vaginal health. First and foremost, probiotics can help prevent and alleviate common issues like yeast infections and bacterial vaginosis. If you're wondering where to find these helpful bacteria, fear not. Probiotics can be found in various forms, such as fermented foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi. Whether through dietary changes or supplements, incorporating probiotics into your routine is simple. Start by introducing probiotic-rich foods into your diet and consider discussing with your healthcare provider about supplement options that align with your health goals.